Paul Ricalde here, and this is the newest addition to Paulstoolbox. And wait till I show you why. The Dustopper Pro has Cyclone Technology unlike anything you've ever seen. I'm going to give away 2 of them. We're going to choose 2 winners from the first 100 people that comment, and you will have one of these sent to you. This easily fits on your standard 5-gallon bucket, and when you do that, it separates 99.9% of particles and water. This is just a safe haven for parasites and bacteria. Clogged up filters, they're a thing of the past. If I want to clean up dust, particles, debris, dirt, whatever it is, I can do that. And then I can turn around and go in my house and vacuum up water. And my filter is high and dry. It doesn't get into your shop vac, it goes right into this bucket and you dump it out. I'm going to give away 2 of them. All you have to do is drop a comment below. You go to Paulstoolbox.com, in the top bar, hit the contact part. Once you hit contact, it will drop you down to a subscription. Put your email address in and give me your YouTube channel name. That way we know who you are, so it's easy to get in touch with you. We can send you an email when you win. We have a lot of other giveaways. So for more information on this product as well as discounts, check out Paulstoolbox.com. You won't be sorry.